Hey everyone, Michael here. Bitcoin is taking a pretty sizable dip over the last few minutes. It's bouncing off of the 50-day moving average at the moment, so I do think this is an interesting time. You may want to buy some Bitcoin right now on this dip, and more importantly, I think you guys would probably want to buy some altcoins here. Many of you guys have been asking, hey, when can I find an entry price for Matic, Ethereum, whatever it may be? I think right now is a good opportunity. For the moment though, this is what you guys need to be paying attention to. Bitcoin just recently reached another all-time high, $69,000. Get your jokes out of the way now. And what you're looking at is you're seeing this trend line right here. This is what we have to look at for Bitcoin. This is the bottom of where Bitcoin can possibly go at the moment. I think it may be able to come back down all the way down here to $62,000, $63,000. Now this has been a pretty fast dip, but it's recovering quite nicely. Look at the 5-minute here. I mean, this thing is just booming back up all of a sudden. So you do see longs coming right here at this support level. So it is acting pretty nice. It could still fall down even more, so please be careful with this. But I do think right now is going to be a great opportunity for you guys to buy some altcoins at the moment. $69,000, we're bouncing over the 50, and what do you know, what's right here? The 20-day moving average. So I do think Bitcoin's in fine shape. I'm not too concerned about this. I know a lot of you guys may freak out a little bit. If you guys are getting very serious or very seriously worried about Bitcoin, don't be afraid to scale out some of those profits of what we've been buying here and previously off of this breakout right here. You guys have made a lot of money. Don't be afraid to sell some off if you guys are getting worried. I know you guys want to make as much money as possible, but sometimes selling a little bit will just take your mind off of it. If you guys wanted to buy in as well, this is still a great opportunity to buy, like a very, very good opportunity to buy, especially since we were just down at 62,000 and now we're back up here to 65,000. Bitcoin is getting very volatile right now, so if you guys like to day trade, now is the time. If you guys want to buy some altcoins, I think right now is a fantastic time. All right, everybody, have a fantastic rest of your day, and make sure to be careful, but understand a lot of you guys have been asking for these great opportunities to buy in at, and now that you guys are getting some, make sure you guys don't actually miss them. All right, have a great rest of your day.